guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a spring yardstick door swag. These are one of my favorite DIYs to make, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. For this door swag, you're going to need one yardstick, and I usually cut mine off shorter. I usually cut mine to about 28 inches, and you could spray paint it first if you wanted to. Next, you're going to take some pipe cleaners, move down about 2 inches on the yardstick, take one pipe cleaner, twist it to the left side, take a second pipe cleaner, wrap it around your yardstick, twist it to the right side. And then you're going to take a third pipe cleaner and you're going to twist this pipe cleaner around your yardstick and leave it pointed toward the ceiling. Leave it in the center. Then move down about 5 inches or so and repeat the same process. Now where I'm putting my sign, I'm not putting a center pipe cleaner. I did 5 sets of pipe cleaners, but on the center one, I did not add the center pipe cleaner. So you can change it up to whatever works best for you. I'm just giving you some ideas, and I have lots of yardstick door swag tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I will link my playlist for you. Now I'm using 3 different colors of this 10-inch mesh, and I'm going to cut my 10-inch mesh into 30-inch strips. I will also write out these directions for you in the description box just in case you have any questions. I like to write out instructions in the description box for you. So I picked up my mesh at different places. I believe this mesh right here came from Michael's. The first color, I ordered it online from Craft Outlet. So just wherever you like to purchase your mesh is fine, and you can make these for any season or holidays. I like to make mine each season and holiday, and I like to make them a little different each time. But here I'm just cutting strips at 30 inches, and we're going to be making woodland ruffles. So here I'm going to take my end, roll it 2 or 3 times, put a chip clip on it or a clothespin, go to the other end, and notice it's curling up toward the ceiling. So I'm going to roll this end 2 or 3 times. Then I'm going to take my fingers, walk them up the center of my mesh till I get to the other end. Then I'm going to remove the chip clip, and now I have a woodland ruffle or cruffle. Now I'm going to go to the top left pipe cleaner, open up the pipe cleaner and put the ruffle in it and twist the pipe cleaner around the ruffle. Roll the end 2 or 3 times and put a chip clip or clothespin on it. Go to the opposite end, roll it 2 or 3 times, and then walk your fingers up the middle of your mesh until you meet the other end. This method helps to prevent the fraying because each end is rolled. And then now I'm going to remove my chip clip, and now I have a pretty little ruffle. Now I'm going to go to the top of my yardstick, and I'm going to place this one right there in the center, and you can do whatever pattern that you would like with your mesh, and you're just going to repeat the same steps making your little ruffles. Here's another way that you can make your little ruffles. Take your mesh and roll each end a few times at the same time, and then just walk your fingers to the center until they meet. So this is another way of making your woodland ruffles or cruffles. And then now I'm going to place this ruffle on the top right side. So I'm putting my striped mesh on the left side and the right side. Now you can do yours however you want. I'm just giving you some ideas. For this door swag, I'm going to be using a sign that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and it's very pretty. It says Hello Spring, and it's got some really pretty colors. And I also picked up some cute flowers for 97 cents, I believe, at Walmart. I think they're called belly buttons. And so I'll be adding a couple flowers too. But first I'm going to tie a bow for the top of the door swag and also one for the bottom. Next, I'm taking some 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire, going to the top center pipe cleaner, putting in some ribbon. Now I'm going to go down the sides with this green ribbon. So I'm just going to leave it loose and not pull it tight, and then leave a little tail at the end. Then I'm going to start on the right side and do the same steps. To attach my Hello Spring sign from Dollar Tree to my door swag, I am going to be taking some, they're just cable tie mounts or zip tie mounts that I ordered from Amazon. They stick, so you just peel the paper off, stick it onto the back of your sign. I like to add some Gorilla Glue hot glue around it just to make sure it stays on the sign. And then I'll take a pipe cleaner and thread the pipe cleaner through the little cable tie mount when it has time to dry. And then here's the pretty flowers I picked up at Walmart. To attach my flowers to my door swag, I'm just going to go to the top, and I'm going to put the top pipe cleaner around the top part of the flowers, and then the stem part, I'm going to put the second pipe cleaner that's in the center, so that way it's nice and secure. And I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. To attach my sign, I am just taking my pipe cleaners and threading them around the ruffles to the back and twisting the pipe cleaners on the back of the yardstick. and I did that at the top and the bottom. To attach my bow, I'm taking a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie, and I'm going to go to the top of my sign, thread the wires through the mesh, go to the back of the yardstick, give the wires a few twists, cut them off short and fold them down. And then to give the wreath a more finished look on the back, you could cut a strip of felt to cover the yardstick, that way it doesn't scratch your wall or your door. And to hang this yardstick door swag up, it's easiest to drill a hole in the top of the yardstick and then add some wire or twine or string to hang it up on your door. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.